Okay.
That's a cute camera.
This is mine. Oh, this is your cough drops.
Oh, thank you.
And cough medicine. I even bought pens for us.
Oh! You're not even gonna say my name?
This is, his name is Eric. This is your decal.
Oh, thank you. I really want the sugar daddy one, though.
This one's mine.
Thank you. Aw. Oh, I kind of like that on the... That's cute. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is our notebook for us to journal.
Oh, wait. It's only one for us?
No, it's two.
Oh, I see.
I thought this was the one that you were talking about.
Oh, no. It's like a smaller one. Oh, yeah, no, this is okay.
Like, are you complaining right now?
No, I'm not! I'm very much like my parents, and I give bad reactions.
I can tell.
Hi, my name...
Oh, we're still going?
I guess. Hi, my name's Eric. Call me.
Oh.
No, my
I thought you said call me. I was like,
that's not the first time I heard that. So...
You're taken.
Yeah, I know. That's unfortunate. No, I'm just kidding. It's very fortunate. Where are we going first?
The sandwich.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna die. I'm not dramatic. You're dramatic.
That was not as bad as they're making it seem.
I know. Oh, I think I zoomed in on your face. How do I? Okay, it's 2:28. We survived Alice's U-turn.
So fucking dramatic.
I'm not dramatic. I'm just realistic.
We're
There's a difference.
Oh my god, it's so busy over there right now.
Why is it so zoomed in? How do I zoom in and zoom out? You wanted to go to Carrot Daikon?
Yeah.
Out of all the
This
places,
shit is fire.
I've been seeing this place and I did not.
Do you see how many people there are right now, bro? That's how fucking buzzing it is.
I would not have been here if it weren't for
You
you.
know you could see yourself, right?
I know that. I just don't want to see myself.
Oh, why are you so zoomed in? Oh my god.
For dramatic effect.
Oh. Oh, the lighting is like terrible. What did you do?
What did you do?
This is the lighting.
Oh, this is cute.
It smells. It has a scent to it.
Oh, it's blueberry.
Yeah.
It's cute.
Ew, why are you smelling it like that? So today's plan is to go to the beach and journal and write our New Year's goals. And he wants to go to Sephora to try the lip balm.
No, lip plumper.
Why do you need a lip plumper?
Guys, I want to feel good about myself.
Oh yeah, you and I both have really small lips.
Fuck you. You talk about yourself, not me.
I said both of us.
I have fairly decent lips.
We have the same size lips.
No, we don't.
Without puckering.
Okay, well, I'm a guy, so fuck you. I shouldn't curse. I'm a guy.
Okay, well, you didn't have to scream.
I wasn't screaming. I was elevating my voice.
That's the one I like. Crispy skin pork belly. I
Does
think.
not look good.
It's so fire. It's not focused.
It looks dry as fuck.
No, it's good. You could ask your boyfriend if he's tried it. I bet he's tried it.
He's never mentioned this place once.
Maybe he's just not cultured.
I don't know what to say here because I feel like you're setting me up right now.
He's white, so not him, but his boyfriend's white. So,
He's pretty cultured though. There's a lot of culture.
Has he tried Indian food?
I'm sure he has. But he doesn't like spicy.
So what
Well,
I'm hearing
he does,
is
but he just can't handle
he's
it.
not cultured.
He likes the spice. Hence, I'm all the spice in his life that he needs.
Anyway, I literally ate breakfast like 2 hours ago.
Yeah, I'm kind of getting hungry.
I thought you went to Starbucks.
Only got coffee.
Let's be friends so we can make it. So, no, no friend. All I want, all I want.
You're just zoned out. I'm zooming. I had one of these. I impulse bought it and then returned it a couple days after. It was like a $700 camera.
I forgot how much this camera was.
Yeah, they're definitely not cheap.
They're not. I think it's like $400 or $500.
I should look into getting a microphone.
A microphone?
Yeah, like a better quality mic.
With what money?
Oh, sorry. That's such a nice Lexus. I want a Lexus. I just want a sugar daddy.
Okay, you don't need to.
Well, how am I gonna get a sugar daddy if I don't make it known?
You need to go to like Beverly Hills. A gay bar in Beverly Hills.
Honestly, no. Wait, when I went with Eli to the mall, like a bougie mall over here.
The guy in front is the guy. The car in front of us. He's in a Lexus.
I don't know, let's see. I mean, I like Lexus, but like... Okay, I'm back. I accidentally turned it off, but let's see if he's actually cute.
You can't even see from
It's
here.
like paparazzi.
You can't even see.
Not with that smudgy ass windshield.
Mine? Excuse me.
Anyways!
You
What
mean-
I was saying...
You mean smudgy lens? Is that what you were trying to imply?
No, I was talking about your windshield. It's dirty.
Well, it was raining.
Anyways,
It's so
I went
irritating.
to an like a bougie mall a couple days ago, and there was a lot of rich people there, and I was getting I was getting a lot of looks, and people were complimenting my outfit. You're jealous. You're jealous. Stay jealous. It smells good, believe it or not.
You want anything?
No, I'm good.
It's only $5.
I'm fine, thank you. I don't like to waste money.
No, because you might not like it.
Yeah.
That's a good deal. $5 for a sandwich is really good. Now I'm so hungry.
You're hungry because of the deal?
Okay, no. I didn't finish my breakfast
You
because
said,
I didn't-
it's so cheap.
I didn't finish my breakfast.
$5.
Because this motherfucker was rushing
Oh,
me.
what the heck?
Was rushing me, and I got home at like 3 or 4 a.m. So I slept late.
Yeah, why did you get home at 3 or 4 a.m.?
and-
Somebody was...
I was a little drunk.
Anyways, I'm a girl
Don't
child.
tempt me with a good time.
Okay, well, we're gonna get our food. Well, she's gonna get her food. And we'll see what happens next. Is that you?
No, it's you.
Oh, sorry. Forgot I'm Mr. Popular. That's fine, well, she can use the bathroom, LMAO. I texted Will. Okay,
Are you sure you don't want anything?
well, let me see the menu first, and maybe... Thank you. Love you!
Well, it's only $5. I wouldn't mind.
Aw. Wait, but you're broke.
Yeah, but it's okay. We can always make money.
Yeah, I'll just... I'm not gonna say.
What were you gonna say?
It's not child friendly.
What'd you want?
I don't know, let's see. Oh, they're all sandwiches. Can I get a pork egg roll?
Pork egg roll?
Yeah, for $3.75. That looks good.
4 pieces?
Yeah. The egg rolls. Or vegetarian. No, I'll get pork.
How can I get for you? Hi, can I get 2 number 12s? 2 number 12?
2 number 12s.
And then a pork egg rolls, the 4-piece.
We don't have any close to no more.
You want a pork pastry pie? It's probably like just like a empanada type thing.
No, I'm fine.
No? You don't want anything?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Spring rolls?
Do they have spring rolls?
Yeah.
I think they said no. No, I'm fine. I don't like spring rolls.
You don't want to try a sandwich?
No, I'm fine.
That should be it.
Thank you. I'm very picky with what I eat.
Okay, thank you.
I'm grateful though. Thank you. It's very sweet of you.
It's actually a really long sandwich though, so if you want any, I could give you something.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I bought one extra for my mom.
Oh, okay. Bet.
But it's like the bread is like super hard.
Is it?
Yeah, because Vietnamese. Why are you so close to me?
Because it
Like-
adds character.
Like, excuse me. The sandwich, it's Vietnamese sandwiches are like super, like the bread is super hard, so
Uh-huh.
like it's gonna rip your gums, but it's really
Oh.
good.
No wonder why it's $5.
Hey, hey.
It's because it's
Especially
stale.
with inflation, that's really fucking good.
I'd rather go to Lee's Sandwiches and buy the French baguette.
That's the same fucking thing, bro. They use like the hard bread.
Yeah, but it's $1.
Anyway. They have like a boba place nearby here too.
Yeah?
I need to stop spending fucking money.
Yeah.
I always spend money when I'm with you.
What do you mean with me? Don't put it on me. What the heck? What kind of
He has an expensive taste.
What can I say? I'm gay. That's
That has nothing to do with that.
well. That's all my parents told me. Yeah, like, just you only want it because it's expensive. Like, bitch, I didn't even see the price. I just have a nice eye.
He even has a Gucci ring on.
Well, that's different. It's because it won't come off. It's stuck.
This motherfucker.
This is a nice camera. It's like you can.
Him just looking at himself for 10 minutes. Which is what he does all the time on FaceTime with me.
You don't need to call me out like that, okay? That's.
And you didn't say no.
Yeah, and I said you didn't need to call me out like that. I wasn't disagreeing.
Anyway. You could even pop your head out on the sunroof thing too.
Oh yeah? You don't want me to do that?
What?
Okay, fine. Let's do that. Oh, it's automatic. No, because there's a car behind me. I'll do it when we're driving.
That's what I meant.
That's so dangerous. That was a joke when I said when we're driving. I
I did it yesterday on my friend's truck.
Weren't you drinking?
I wasn't driving. What's the issue here?
Okay, whatever. Had you gotten pulled over? Because that's illegal, by the way.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, it's illegal.
Oh.
And then the fact that you guys are drinking.
Oh.
Oh my god, what would you do without me?
We even had to like pee super bad, and we were at Hermosa. So like this guy let us in this bar for us to go to the bathroom.
They're copyrighted, but we'll see. We could probably use like 6-8 seconds. Oh, sorry.
We're at Sephora.
I'm bored.
He wants a lip plumper.
I don't want it. I mean, I kind of want it.
Yeah, it looks like you kind of want it. Do you like it?
I don't know.
He's trying like the blueberry one.
Maximum plump. This is cheaper than. Oh, I almost put it back in. This is cheaper than getting lip fillers.
Let's look at those juicy lips. I think it has like a tint on it too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm like so embarrassed.
All up and close and personal.
I made eye contact. The guy was staring at me. Oh.
Is it working?
I think I feel it. But then again, my lips are cracked as fuck.
You're making me want to try one too.
Oh, fair enough. Just show you how it works really quick.
I'm sorry. They smell good.
Yeah? I'm shaking. I'm getting like hot flashes.
Because it's like burning your lip.
No, because that's just how I am. I'm
Oh.
wearing like 3 layers right now. Stop calling me fat.
we both know you're not fat.
Okay, well, anyways, you
have
don't
a
want me to
big
be
ass
your
hole over
wingman.
there.
Oh, that's Williams. It's not mine. Anyways, you don't want me to be your wingman, because then I'm just gonna yell at every guy, say, hey, she thinks you're hot.
Taste test. Are you even filming?
Yeah. Oh, am I? Oh, yeah, I am.
This shit is pussy. Don't mind if I do.
I'm just not trying to get hate crimes.
As I'm eating my banh mi sandwich. Wait, do you want a bite?
Sure.
You want me to give you like a piece, or do you want it just like a bite?
Doesn't matter.
Well, I just don't want you to like not like it.
Do what you want. Oh, thank you.
If you want, let me know if you like it too. I can give you one.
It's not bad.
You like it?
Pretty good, yeah.
Mm.
That's pretty good.
What do you rate it out of 10?
7.5 or 8. Pretty good. It's not messy. It's not hard.
We ate some sandwiches. It was fire. It was fire.
It was pretty good.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I'm gonna get more later. We're gonna start not journaling, but like New Year's.
I'm getting the food out of my teeth right now, so I'd appreciate if you don't record this one.
New Year's resolutions.
I don't even know what it is, so
As people are staring at us.
they do talk pretty loud.
Oh. Should I like pop it right over there? Can you do it? I'm lazy.
This girl.
Can you even see clearly though?
I don't know.
You can move like the yeah. Like
Can you
this,
even
like.
tell?
Okay.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind waiting.
You took the most mask. You leave me these as the only 2 options.
I was gonna give it to you. You're cute. Okay. New Year's resolutions. New Year's resolutions. Be a bad bitch.
Fuck, this is middle school all over again.
What is your one resolution?
Stop being crazy.
That'd be crazy. Mine is be selfish. You have better handwriting than I do.
What? This is horrible. What are you talking about? I have like horrible handwriting.
Okay, you don't have to cover mine.
Cover. Well,
Okay.
it needed to focus.
Anyway,
Stop attacking me. I don't like this attitude. Okay, thank you.
I don't like this energy.
Yeah, keep that to your New Year's resolution self, okay? This is...
You're kind of rude. It's a gloss. A gloss milk. Pause.
Okay, back. Is there only one New Year's resolution?
No, you can have as many as you want.
Oh, be skinny.
Okay, if you didn't listen, and it's kind of loud out here, but we wrote
all the fucking cars going by.
we wrote our resolutions for each other, and we're gonna read each other, and then we're gonna try and follow them. So, should I go first or should you?
Well, we'll list one off. If you list one, I list one.
Oh, okay.
I'll do it.
Okay, I'll go first. Smoke less or not at all.
Spend less money.
Be nice to yourself.
Journal.
Work on consistency and stability.
Hit less cars.
I didn't hit any cars. Get a job.
Socialize more. You wanna go?
Stop spending money on Nick.
You can't say that multiple
I
times.
can.
Dedicate more time to yourself.
Sleep early.
Limit yourself to 3 tattoos per year.
Fuck you. Go to the gym.
Listen to Eric more. That's me.
Keep your own promises to yourself.
Drink lots of water.
I do. I drink so much water. You don't even know what you're talking about.
Somebody's butt.
I literally. Anyway, eat healthy and stop eating out.
Stop buying so many plushies.
Okay, cook for yourself.
Eat healthier.
I do eat healthy. You know this too. Every time I call him, he's always buying something outside.
No,
like
I'm not.
food. Yes, you
No,
are.
I'm not.
Mm-hmm. Work on communication. The silence is loud.
Stop overthinking.
Get a therapist.
I do, I just don't talk to it. Practice more self-care.
Work on being alone and spending time with yourself.
That's all I have.
Oh, I have more. Stop missing class.
It's not nice.
Get out of bed.
I do get out of bed. How do you think I'm here?
Ow. That actually hurt. Okay, that's it for now, but I could write more. I'm like, this one, that one, this one, that one.
This is your medication for the year?
Medication?
Prescription?
I'm like, throw it in the trash. I'm just kidding. Wait, I have to give you yours.
That's a little bit.
Let's see if he actually does it.
Would it help if I could read it?
Fuck you. Less plushies. There's no such thing as too many plushies or too many tattoos.
Have you seen your room?
Have you seen yours?
That's fucked up because I'm homeless.
You're not homeless. You have a dorm.
Same thing. I used to be.
Oh my god, not the trauma dump. It's okay.
It's okay. My room is a lot nicer.
The lighting is terrible. I got him sick, so I had to get him some of my cough drops.
It was the least you could do.
It was on accident. I barely even saw him.
She hugged me.
You hugged me.
Sorry, I'm a hugger and a giver,
I'm a giver too.
but not a hugger.
Yeah, I'm not a hugger. And maybe it's a Korean thing. Should we keep writing our own resolutions?
My feet are fucking freezing. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I'm low-key kind of cold. Should we go in my car?
Huh?
Should we go in my car?
You want to drive?
Yeah, we can. So I drive?
Do you want me to drive?
No.
What? That's like you get into an accident about.
No.
See
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Murakami. This is Alice Lee, and that's about it.
What else should we do?
I don't know. You want to go find sugar daddies?
It doesn't work that, hun. It doesn't work like that, hun.
What do you
Sorry,
mean?
I'm like
You're like what?
I'm like zoning out, but also like low-key.
Can't imagine living life alone.
If we were to go separate ways,
'Cause with you I feel like
who knows how far we go?
Don't you know that all that I need is your body next to me?